Okay guys, you see, this is what does it mean. And I see a lot of people, they must live. There are some words just for the appreciating what they've seen inside here. Let me try to read it, so maybe even myself I can leave my words and my name here. Okay, let me write.
Oh, hello! Like and subscribe. Comment below.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
1 day and 3 days is cheaper.
Yeah.
You get all lots of things.
Alright guys. And what is your mother language over there?
Oh, Spanish.
Spanish.
Yes.
Oh, ¿cómo estás?
Yes, ¿cómo estás? Hola,
Gracias.
¿cómo estás?
Karibu Tanzania. Alright guys. Yeah, now we are heading somewhere where Mandela did his speech. Yeah. The place, I mean to the building where Mandela gave out the speech. The time he was out of the jail. Okay, let's go travel with me. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. We're in the streets. Remember this place found in Cape Town city center, and here we go. Okay, so sad guys, see this prison. I'll tell you a short story. Somewhere where I went down there. Okay, you see this is a prison, by the way. What we have seen now, there is a guy knows his friend's room, and he turned outside and called him like, Juma. He's in the back side of this building, and he's trying to call his friend. I don't know if it's his brother or his friend, his name, I really don't know. I have no idea, but the guy is kind of sad, you know. He called his friend his name like, hey, Becca. So maybe at least he wants to feel even there. At least if the guy will answer the call like, yeah, you know. It's kind of sad, but okay, that's the life, guys. We're in Cape Town. We continue exploring. Anyway guys, for you guys who don't know me, my name is Wigem. I'm doing travel videos. I'm with my friend right here, Robert. I come from Holland. We're trying to explore and travel together. This is the 5th province to visit in South Africa. So we keep exploring, and now we are heading to the building to the building which Mandela gave out the speech. Look at that building, guys. Wow, you see? Okay, this is how Cape Town CBD looking like, and we are going somewhere down there. You know, we have no idea. Even the street name sometimes you'll be like, why are you not telling us the street names and stuff like this? No idea. When I find out the plate and has written the name of the street, so I will show you, like, this is the street we are passing, you know. Okay, yeah, Cape Town is very beautiful, and it's one of the developed cities in South Africa. A lot of cities actually here developed, but Cape Town, wow, is the best. And actually this is the touristic place. Yeah, tourist city in South Africa. When you're landing here, you'll find a lot of tourists like you never see anywhere. Like you never see anywhere in Africa. I've been traveling in different countries in Africa, and I never experienced such thing. I mean, what I see, actually the building is somewhere there, so to catch it clearly, guys, I must go opposite of it, you know, so that we can see it clearly. Okay, let me make a plan to cross this road, but I must go to the zebra somewhere there, not here. Here is not the official place to cross. Okay, another thing, guys, the city is really safe. I tell you, it's very safe because everywhere you go there is security, police officers, security men. They call them enforcement. Yeah, under enforcement. Yeah, that's the name they call them. You will see a lot of them in the street wear the reflector and the black uniforms. I think I must make a way to cross here. Yeah, I think if we can stand this like this one. Okay, guys, here we are, and this is the building, by the way. You see? Yeah. Here, this is the building where Nelson Mandela gave out the speech. Yeah, the time he come from the jail. I tell you this, when you visit Cape Town, make sure at least you visit also these places. I know you guys have been traveling, have been visiting a lot of places, have been watching my videos, different places, but this is the best for historical. As you can see there, there is a Nelson Mandela's picture in the middle of that building. I mean of that door, in front of that door. I think I have to go there closer so that at least you can capture a picture and see it clearly. And let's try to ask if it is allowed to go inside. Okay, this is the whole building, whole building. Okay, guys, let's go closer. You see the statue of Mandela, guys. It is a one. And let's try to read some instructions. Upon release from prison on 11 February 1990, and on his election as a president of South Africa on 9 May 1994, Nelson Mandela addressed the nation here. Okay, guys, let's see the nation. Okay, so now I think we must ask if it's allowed to get in, and then I'll let you know, guys. Okay, ciao. Hello. 17. Yeah. Okay, we have something like 35 minutes. Alright, guys, we're trying to go somewhere inside there so that maybe we can, you see, here, the place where he just talk with his people. You understand? So, okay, let's see. We're trying to check if we can get inside and what we can see. We'll go there to take some pictures, but now we are trying to get in somewhere. Social media is gathering things. Hello. Okay, guys. So here is outside there, the place where we started off. This is what they show, what will happen. Mandela was standing somewhere here like this, and he was giving a speech to his people after the time that he come out from the jail. Okay, and the jail that they jailed Mandela for 27 years, I did a video. So just go watch my previous videos, you will see. You see? You see, they say welcome ANC, this is political things. Okay. But this is the time Mandela was talking with his people after getting free from the jail. They say there's a lot of words, guys. Make sure you go and follow me on Instagram. I'll take a lot of pictures so that you can take your time to read them, okay? Because if I keep reading everything, you'll never finish the video. University life and okay? And wow, a lot of picture and some instructions in here, so that yeah, that's alright guys. Wow. See, wow, really working for our future without apartheid. In South Africa, more than children at present being held in detention. Okay. Speech that Nelson Mandela gave out is like this. The speech, he gave out the speech on 11 February 1990, the time that he came out from the jail. And here, you see, this is outside the place where we started off. You see, and here it says, okay guys, you see, this is what happened in this building around 11 February 1990, the time that Mandela for the first time was giving out the speech to his people from out of the jail, the time that he came out from the jail. Thank you for... I see there is a book here. I just want to see what does it mean. And I see a lot of people, they must leave. There are some words just for the appreciating what they've seen inside here. Let me try to read it, so maybe even myself I can leave my words and my name here. Okay, let me write. in his group of people, they were welcoming him back at home because Mandela was in the jail within 27 years. And the jail that they jailed him, the jail cell that they jailed him, I went there to see and take some pictures. And the video is in my previous videos, you can go and check. But today we are in this hall where it is now a museum, but it's the exact place where Mandela gave out a speech to his people after he got a chance from the prison. You understand? And this is in this building, as you can see. Alright guys, here in the place where Nelson Mandela addressed the nation around 1990. Okay, you can see his statue up there. And this is the hall where he, for the first time, the phone is ringing. Hello. Hey, VP. Right guys, I hope so you've enjoyed this video. What I'm trying to do is just to show you what is possible about telescopes. What's wrong again? I don't know. Okay, I come from Tanzania. Thank you very much.
From Kilimanjaro?
Actually, that is the highest mountain in Africa. 3 different countries, like from Holland, South Africa, and Tanzania. Checking now.
Well, enjoy your stay.
Okay, enjoy too.
Subscribe to MDC.
Everything is full booked.
Welcome to David.
Alright. We're coming from somewhere there. Woo! Okay. Can you say hello to my audience?
Hi.
Hey. Yeah.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal.